the taxation that we probably will face with the choice of different financial instruments, even post-retirement. That leads me to another very interesting question that I am asked when I take so many financial wellness sessions across different organizations. Should one pay off all the loans and mortgages before retirement? Is there any tax implications or benefits to continue these loans post-retirement? What's your view on that?
Now, as you know, for tax paying purposes, you have two clear paths to pay your taxes. So I think for retired people, it is better not to carry their loans, pay off their loans with the purpose, and be debt free, and move to the tax bracket, which does not need to have any reductions and all that. So the newer tax bracket, where almost up to 7 lakhs of rupees per annum income, you hardly pay any tax, is the right way of treating your tax income.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.